Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be making this sign right here. It's for one of my favorite content creators, 5 Points Vids. We're going to send it to him, unbeknownst to him, and see what he thinks. This video is also sponsored by HelloFresh, but more on them in a little bit. So before we get into this, I'm just going to say, oh my goodness, my video from yesterday. This is the thumbnail. If you haven't seen it, oh my gosh, it is like faith in humanity restored. So many comments, so many wonderful people. You guys are incredible. Literally going through, I can hardly get through it. Going through the comments, you guys are amazing. And if you don't know what all this is all about, I basically showed my journey into becoming a full-time content creator and just kind of giving my audience a glimpse inside of what's going on around here. So you guys are absolutely wonderful and I thank you for it. And now, without further ado, let's get into this video. So why make a sign for another YouTuber? Well, he's a pretty engaging YouTuber and he's got really awesome content. I'll give you an example right here. Check this out. Why you can't keep a football when it goes into the stands. Always wanted to know that. He's got videos like this. And he does really high quality, good voiceover work. And the guy is actually a pretty funny man as well. So I figured over the course of the last few years, he and I have become internet friends. And we're both on this platform, so we bounce ideas off each other. And his insight into this world has been very insightful to me. And so I figured I'd pay it forward by making him a gift where he can now display during his live streams as well. So let's just dive in. Okay, we're gonna start this project off by taking a circular saw to a piece of black laminated plywood. This is 3/4 of an inch. It's actually a little bit thicker than that because it's got laminate on both sides. Taking it down to about a 24 by 24 inch piece here on the table saw, and oh my goodness. So right in the middle of the day, she wants me to open her new nightlight. I love how they could just pop in and out of the shop with me. It's pretty incredible. And moving on to VCarve Pro, and I think the Pro is gonna be showing her digital fabrication skills here very soon. Check this out, this is pretty funny. Okay, now you can roll. Oh goodness. Thanks for your help, baby. Oh, you unclicked it. Okay, click it again, now do it. Oh, wait, there we go. You're making it disappear. All right, bring it back, bring it back. Bring it back. Out of the way. Out of the way. You're nuts. Give me that. We gotta bring it back. Oh goodness. What do we do? What do we do? Let's straighten it back out. Okay, there we go. There we go.
Uh-oh, it's getting bigger.
What number is that?
5.
Exactly.
Let me try.
Can you say, Adam, I hope you enjoy this?
Adam, enjoy this.
You better enjoy it, buddy. So we're gonna put this piece of black laminated plywood down on the CNC. As you can see, my princess has drawn up a wonderful diagram for us to carve, and we're gonna get to it. We're gonna start off by using a V bit. I think this is a 60-degree bit, maybe 90. I can't really remember. I think that's 60, yeah. And it's coming out pretty nice. I really absolutely like the detail. The black laminated plywood looks really good. And the carve's going well. I'm gonna turn my attention to one of these downcut bits from Bits and Bits. This is an 1/8 inch bit and it's gonna be used to cut out the entire circle. I've got really small tabs in here as well. We're gonna just take a multi-tool, trim those off. Now it's time to do some final sanding. So with a piece of foam back sandpaper, we're gonna really get into those nooks and crannies. And I wanna tell you about this week's video sponsor first. So we'll finish it up after this. I'd like to take a moment and tell you about this week's video sponsor, HelloFresh. HelloFresh offers so many recipes to choose from each week to help you break out of your recipe rut. They also have more 5-star recipes than any other meal kit, so you know what you're gonna get is something awesome and delicious. Want to save time? Well, HelloFresh has you covered by cutting out the stressful meal planning and prepping so you can enjoy cooking and getting dinner on the table in about 30 minutes. The average trip to the grocery store takes about 41 minutes. With HelloFresh, you can skip those trips, get everything you need, and make chef-curated meals delivered right to your door. They also help you eat more sustainably by pre-portioning ingredients, which means there's less prep for you and less wasted food. HelloFresh's carbon footprint is also 25% lower than the meals made from store-bought groceries. And of course, you want more flexibility, which fits your lifestyle. HelloFresh has you covered in this regard as well. You can add extra dinners or lunches to your weekly order, easily change your delivery days for food preferences, and skip a week whenever you need. Feeding the whole family has never been easier with larger box sizes for more servings and more savings. Links to everything HelloFresh is in the description and on the screen now. But before you go, check out a real life example of these miniature Mamma Mia meatloafs we made. They were absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna invite you to click the description box below, check the link, HelloFresh.com. Use my code GLIMPSE14 for 14 free meals plus shipping. Again, HelloFresh.com. Use my code GLIMPSE14 for 14 free meals plus shipping. And I'll tell you guys, I worked a lot of years, 2 decades plus, in high-end retail management in a grocery store, and the stuff here is as good, if not better, than anything I could have ever brought home from work. So check the link and help support the supporters that help us. Thanks, guys. So now it's time to install my favorite part of this build, the LED strip that's going to reveal the light, the subtle light behind the sign that's going to give it that ambiance, that kind of cool feature. Self-adhesive LEDs are just run-of-the-mill. I picked this one up on Amazon. I think it was around 15 bucks. Really cool feature though about this one. It doesn't need a controller. You simply use your smartphone to change the color. All you do is scan a QR code and it changes whatever you want. But before we install it, we're gonna take a few reference marks just to make sure everything is nice and level. Once I like the position of it, I'm gonna use some Starbond, CA glue and activator. Got a coupon code down below if you want to check it out. This is a prime example of using it as a tool because it's going to basically just hold it in place for me until I come back with some countersinking bits and some screws to give me a nice permanent hold. This thing isn't going anywhere. Of course, you don't want it to because it's going to be hanging on a wall. So with the countersinks recessed a bit, a 3/4 of an inch screw is all I need to give me a nice hold for the back. You can see here they go in just nicely. And of course, I don't want to strip them out, and that's why I did them by hand. Now to hang on the wall, there's multiple options, but I figured I would give this guy his own French cleat. Of course, CA glue and some alternating brads is all you're gonna need. And then of course, the other cleat goes in there. You can see how it's gonna mount on the wall. And like any good maker, I would like to include all the hardware needed, including the bit to get this thing installed. Using some blue tape to keep everything in place. Don't want anything shifting around during shipping. So to finish the wood portions of this, to not affect the laminate, which laminate doesn't get affected by too much, I'm using some boiled linseed oil. This stuff works pretty well. It really richens up the color of the wood, as you can see here, and once you wipe it clean, you're good to go. And of course, these LEDs are awesome. You can scan a QR code that came with them to download the app, and you can change all the colors on your phone. Don't have an example of this, but take my word for it. It works really well, and I really like how this turned out. Well guys, that's about it. This project came out so great. This thing is so crisp. Using a CNC is definitely broadened my horizons. It is still new to me. And this Penguin CNC is pretty incredible in what it can do. And also Vectric, the software they have, VCarve Pro, really, I was intimidated at first, but within a few weeks, I was good to go. And it's a pretty intuitive software as well. So want to thank them as well. Also, if you guys want something like this, hey, you know what? I am now full-time. So this is something I'm definitely able to do. I'm gonna put my email down below, or you can DM me on Instagram as well. Shoot me a message. Let me know if you want something done like this, and we can have a conversation. Guys, thanks again for joining me for this project. I really like doing this. Adam, I hope you enjoy it. Your channel's awesome. Honestly, one of the funniest channels out there, but not trying to be. The guy is he just does great content. So check him out, 5 Points Vids down below. I'll link him as well. Enjoy the sign, buddy. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on that next project. Take care. My name's Chris. See you then. Bye-bye. Hello. Hey, buddy. You got it? Awesome. You like it? Okay. Yeah. Sure. Okay. Yeah, I'll put it at the end of the video. For sure thing. Yeah, man. Thanks, buddy. See ya.
Hey, everyone. I'm 5 Points Vids. I just got to say thank you to Chris and A Glimpse Inside for hooking up this awesome sign back here that's going to be in all my streams, and just a perfect addition to the studio that I've been working on this whole time. So I can't tell Chris and A Glimpse Inside how much I appreciate them. Well, I guess I technically can by making this video, but thanks again for this awesome sign. I appreciate it.